In this tutorial, you will learn how to delete a WordPress theme from your website. To delete a theme, go to the dashboard and open the Themes page in the Appearance section. You cannot delete the active theme, so you have to switch to a different theme if you want to delete the current one. Click on the theme that you want to delete. In the bottom right corner, you will see this small Delete link. Click OK to confirm your intent. Congratulations! You have now deleted a WordPress theme from your server. Deleting a theme does not delete the content that already exists on your WordPress website. There are a few good reasons why you would delete one or multiple WordPress themes from your website. The main reason is better security. In some cases, popular but outdated themes may contain known vulnerabilities. Hackers often do automatic scans of websites to try and find themes and plugins with known vulnerabilities. If you care about your website's security, then there is no real reason to keep old themes that you will never use again. If you need professional help in creating or managing your website, please get in touch. You can support my work by subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and leaving a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.